breakfast time. One of their last meals in the whelping box. Hopefully I can get them moved out to the puppy room this afternoon. It's all clean and ready to go. Just have to heat it up now. Hungry babies. Hi puppies. Hey cutie pies. Hi cutenesses. Look at you all. Oh, aren't you handsome? Hi babies. There's Brandy and Tara. Hi Tara, up here. Look up here. Hi. Hi there. Hi, cutie. Hi, Brandy. Hi, Velvet. Hey, pretty puppies. Little bloomer girl. Look how blue her eyes are looking too. And I think both red merle males are going to have one blue eye at least. Yeah, hi. Yeah, I think he's going to have two blue eyes. In fact, I think I got quite a few of them that might have two blues. Come here, Viking. Do you have a new name yet? I don't think so. Hi, Viking. Oh, such pretty babies. Who am I missing? Who am I not getting? Hey, Bernice. Hey, Bernice. Ah, there's Bernice. Yeah. And Brandy. Oh no, that's the tri-male. Hi, Vincent. There's Brandy. Cute pie. Hi. Aw, isn't she adorable? So there's the trick puppies at 4.5 weeks. The weather's so nice they even got to go out a little bit today. Hey, cutie pies.